Here we have this headache rack is a little short.
This is a GM headache rack, so not as tall as the Ford Super Duty rack, or what they call Super Duty rack, which is...
That's an optional thing, right?
It's optional.
Yeah.
And for that Ford, like we're doing over there, it gets it the right height with that straight frame. You can set it right in the frame, and it'll match the cab perfect.
Gotcha.
Yeah. The other option is if we had a short cab, a short headache rack, we can space it up a little to give you more wheel clearance.
That's kind of what we're going to do here, right?
Yeah.
On this frame. So what we're going to take an 1.5 inch tube and run it along the frame.
Yeah, horizontally, just on top of the spacer.
I gotcha. Yeah, I guess that doesn't need to be the whole length. So no. This will be tied down in 3 spots or 4? 4 spots? Okay. All right. So there's okay. So then there will be 1.5 inch tube, heavy square tube, just above each strap location, and then that way we clear the sway bar and so forth.
Watching out for the bar on the frame.
I gotcha. Okay. So that doesn't hurt the structure at all?
No.
Because we're resting on top of the straps. I gotcha. Okay. Well, that makes quick work of it. This is a plasma cutter that you use to cut those things with. Just a simple little unit you hook your air up to and ground and your cutter. He's just tacking it in place?
Yeah.
So we're going to bolt the back, right?
Yes.
Okay.
What we gotta do when I get these, we gotta drill a small hole through this, and we're gonna drill a small hole right there, and then bore it out.
Oh, I
put
got
a bolt
you.
through this.
Okay, so this one has the LED lights, and it's an older truck. Is it flashing fast and all that stuff?
We put resistors in it.
Oh, okay. So then, what do you mean resistors? And where do you put them?
In the tail lights.
Oh, like behind the taillights?
Yes.
Oh, can I see them from here?
They're plugging.
Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Do you put one in each taillight?
Yes.
Okay, so that is your resistor. Okay. Is that the part number on it? All right, cool. So then that causes that to flash, the normal flashing. Okay. Very good. And then we're setting this one up. This is an older truck, so it's got the non-pigtail wiring, and you got this guy plugs into that guy. So we're almost there then, huh?
Yes.
Okay. And then we welded these brackets on?
For the mud flaps?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.